Hey guys, it's Karthik and I'm just welcoming all of you to my amazing and awesome YouTube channel Codul Docs. And guys, this video will gonna be amazing because in this video we are going to discuss about what are headings and paragraph in HTML5. So before getting late, let's get started. And guys, before starting the video, make sure that you have liked this video, subscribe to Codul Docs channel, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, and don't forget to visit on codul.pythonanyway.com, in which you can learn more than 8 plus languages and you can run and compile your code using this code playground section. So anyways, let's start the video. So guys, first of all, here you can see HTML headings are titles or subtitles that you want to display on a web page. Guys, HTML headings are defined with the H1 to H6 tags. Defines the most important heading. So here you can see in the code guys, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. So the headings are important. Search engine uses the heading to index the structure and content of a web pages using often scheme a page by its heading. It is important to use headings to show document structure. H1 heading should be used for main heading, followed by H2 and then the less important H3 and so on. So guys, here you can see the bigger heading. Each HTML heading has a default size. However, you can specify the size of any heading with the style attribute using the CSS font size property, which we will discuss in other videos. So here you can see the H1 and you can see the style tag font size 60 pixels. Now guys, the HTML paragraphs. So guys, before moving on to the HTML paragraph, let's see how headings works. So let's open a Visual Studio Code and create a new file, and that file name gonna be headings.html. And let's close the Explorer and let's type exclamation mark, and VS Code automatically make the boilerplate for us. So guys, here we have to type h1 and let's say hello, and copy this and paste this again and again, and here we have to type h2 and here we have to type h3 and h4, h5, and here we have to add h6, and let's delete this and Ctrl to save, and let's copy the file path guys, and let's open our Chrome browser and paste the file path and press enter to run. And here you can see the h1 looking very bigger compared to other, because the h1 tag is the main tag in the heading, and after that you can see h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6. So guys, here you can see the HTML paragraphs. So guys, Elements defines a paragraph. A paragraph always starts with a new line, and browsers automatically add some white space, a margin before after a paragraph. So you can see the code. So guys, HTML display. You can't be sure how HTML will be displayed, large or a small screen and resized window. We create different results. With HTML, you can't change the display by the extra spaces or extra lines in your code, HTML code. The browser will automatically remove any extra space and lines when the page is displayed. And here you can see the p tag, Codulon and Codulon docs. And now guys, HTML horizontal rules. So guys, the HR tag defines a thematic break in an HTML page and is most often displayed as a horizontal rule. The HR element is used to separate content or define a change in an HTML page. So guys, here you can see the HTML document. So guys, now let's see how horizontal lines works. So guys, here you can see the h1, and after that I will add hr, and let's save this, and after h4 let's add hr again, and let's save the file, and here let's reload the browser. So here you can see this horizontal line is called the hr attribute. So guys, I hope you understand this heading and paragraph in HTML, and guys, in the next tutorial we will learn something more about HTML5. So for that, bye bye, see you later and stay tuned.